Mom, would you relax? That was 10 blocks from here, and the woman was walking alone at night. I would never do that. Mom, come on, stop worrying. This is a safe street. This is a safe building. There's nothing... Oh, my God! Oh, what are you doing in here? Oh, God, Mom, I gotta go. I gotta go. Oh, my God. Okay. That's fine. You just read the paper. I'm gonna get a pot. It's not for you. Okay, that's fine. Read the Family Circus. Enjoy the gentle comedy. It's open, you guys.
Hi.
Hey, can I help you?
Yeah, I'm looking for Phoebe. Does she still live here?
No, she doesn't, but I can get a message to her.
Great. Just tell her husband stopped by.
Her what?
Hey, how did you do that?